Hello, my name is Marcia Mallmann and I'm a crochet instructor from the south of Brazil. With this hobby that became a business in my life, I have already been to TV shows here in my country and I have taught my techniques to hundreds of people in Brazil and abroad. In this class, I will teach you how to make this beautiful crossbody bag. I call it Carini, which is the name of the first client buying it. And I will show you how to make every detail from the very beginning of it to the finishing process. I must tell you that you will love both the process and the result of this bag. And you must be asking me, Marcia, why should I learn crochet? Well, crochet was something that really helped me during the pandemic with my anxiety. But what I like the most about it is that I made it a business, as I said before, and you can make it a business too, and a very profitable one. I also love the idea of producing bags just like the ones that have been used in the most famous fashion shows by the most famous fashion brands all over the world. So here's my invitation. Sign up for CuriousMondo.com and find out a whole world of new possibilities. See you in class, okay? Bye-bye.